Welcome to Fleet Nav Systems online training for Geotab Drive. We will be walking through the full Geotab Drive app so that by the end of this course, you are comfortable with how to use it. The Geotab Drive app works with the Geotab Go telematics device to help meet compliance regulations, improve fleet productivity, and provides the ability to add in additional functionality to better meet your needs. Geotab Drive provides drivers with several useful services, such as hours of service, inspections, driver identification, messaging, and other add-in features. Throughout this course, we will be covering the basics on how to log into the Geotab Drive app, how to manage hours of service logs, asset inspections, and extra features that can be added to the Geotab Drive app, such as ELD info, messaging, fuel tracker, and much more. You can access these lessons in any order, so feel free to use these videos for a quick reminder or skip any lessons that may not apply to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.